Hi everyone, welcome back to SalesPlay POS tutorials. In this video, we're covering modifiers, what they are, how to create them in the back office, and how to use them on the POS app. Let's dive in. In SalesPlay POS, modifiers are extra options you can offer customers to personalize their orders. Think of add-ons like toppings, fillings, or syrup, anything that customizes a product. For example, in a pizza shop, extra cheese, olives, sauce. Modifiers need to be set up in the back office before you can use them on the POS app. Here's how you create modifiers in the back office. Log into the SalesPlay back office and go to Product Modifiers. Click Create Modifier. Give a name to the modifier group, for example, toppings, sauces, or cheese. Then add modifiers under that group, like mozzarella, tomato sauce. You can add cost price and selling price if you need to. After you've added the modifiers you want, click Save. Then click Attach to assign the modifier group to a product or category. Tick the items you want to apply this modifier group for, then save. Once this is done, your new modifiers will sync and become available in the POS app. Now, on your POS device, open the SalesPlay POS app and go to New Sale. Select the product, for example, a burger. You'll see a pop-up listing the available modifiers because you set them up in the back office. Choose the modifiers the customer wants, maybe mozzarella or tomato sauce. Tap Add, then complete the sale as usual. Tap Charge. Advanced features, quantity and order. 2 extra features that help you organize things better. If a customer wants more than one portion of a modifier, you can bump up the quantity right in the POS app. Ordering modifier groups. You might want modifier groups to show up in a specific order. You can reorder groups in the back office. Go to Modifiers in the back office and change the order. Use drag and drop. Similarly, inside a modifier group, you can adjust the order of individual modifiers. And if your product has variants, like pizza small, medium, and large, you may need to attach modifiers separately to each variant as needed. Just a couple of key notes to keep in mind. Make sure you've set up modifiers in the back office before you expect to use them on the POS app. If you have product variants, those modifiers might need to be attached to each variant separately. And that's how you use modifiers in SalesPlay POS, from creation to use on the floor. Take a moment to set up your modifier groups and attach them to the right products, and your customers will have that extra flexibility you want to give them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.